Also tonight, an assistant fire chief is changing how first responders view the job. Last night, we told you about stress de-escalation training in Newport News. Well, tonight, our Michelle Wolf shows us why his personal experience has led to this focus on mental health.
Newport News Assistant Fire Chief David Lewis has struggled with anxiety, depression, PTSD, and contemplated suicide. He wrote a book about his experiences and has made it his mission to end the stigma of mental health.
When I first came in the organization, you didn't talk about mental health. You went to the bad calls and you kept your mouth shut. You went back to the station and it was business as usual.
That build-up trauma, Lewis says, can be detrimental as a first responder.
We have a front row seat to the worst possible things that society experiences. We're there. We're not able to turn away and walk away.
Lewis's goal is to normalize and prioritize mental health.
In the Newport News Fire Department, we have a peer support team. This year we are implementing about 18 hours of training. We have counselors coming in that will provide training and certifications in alcohol abuse and PTSD awareness, suicide prevention, numerous topics.
Earlier this week, Lewis organized a stress reduction training for first responders in Newport News and Hampton. He invited several counselors to speak and show folks how to use a technique called Target to Zero when responding to a traumatic event.
But what we really want to do is be able to clear out adverse events as quickly as possible for people to decrease symptoms that then can improve performance and outcomes. We do 3 things to reconsolidate an event. So we move, tap, take a deep breath while thinking about the event. In doing this, our brains quickly reconsolidate that memory so the details aren't bothering us anymore. And it quickly goes to zero. That's the reason for the name Target to Zero.
We're tired of hearing the stories of individuals going home after being away from their families for 24 hours at a time, but yet they're not mentally home.
You can find more information and a list of resources on wavy.com. Michelle Wolf, 10 on your side.